Uh, Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Tegar Triansa. I am attendance number 21. Now I want presentation about control system in electrical engineering. Control system in electrical engineering. This presentation delves into the fundamental concept of control and regulation system within electrical engineering, focusing on the component and operational principles that govern their function. We will explore both basic control circuit and more advanced regulatory system, including open loop and closed loop configuration and their practical application. Understanding control and regulation system. Control system. This system utilize device like contactor, on or off switch, and timer to manage electrical flow. They typically consist of two main parts: a control circuit and power system. For example, activating a switch S or S1 energize a relay or Q1, closing contact and powering a light switch to 130-volt AC. Activating S1 de-energize Q1 and turn off the light. Regulation system are categorized into open loop and closed loop types. Open loop system like feedback, meaning their output cannot be precisely controlled according to setting. In contrast, closed loop system incorporate feedback mechanism, continuously correcting the output to match the desired quantity. This ensures greater accuracy and stability in operation. And this the illustration the interaction between a DC 24-volt control circuit and AC 230-volt power circuit via a relay. Closed loop regulation, the bimetal example. Common example of a closed loop temperature regulation system is an electrical iron or a rice cooker, which often employs a bimetal strip. The bimetal acts as the temperature sensitive switch. When the bimetal is cold, its contacts are closed, allowing electrical current to flow to the heating element. As the temperature rises and raises the set point, the bimetal deform and disconnect the circuit, interrupting the current to the heater. Once the temperature drops again, the bimetal could reconnect and the heater reactivates. This automatic on or off cycle maintain the desired temperature. This feedback mechanism ensures the appliance consistently operates within a specific temperature range, demonstrating the effectiveness of closed loop control. And this the draw basic automatic control system showing the feedback loop for continuous correction. And draw control on off with bimetal illustration temperature regulation. Okay. Operator system component control and power. Electrical control system rely on two things: this group of components, control component and power component. It play a crucial role in the overall operation and safety on the system of the system. Control component. That's including device that initiates, regulate, or monitor the circuit control. Example are on or off switch, timer, overload relays, and general purpose relay. They operate at lower voltage and manage the logic of the system. Power component. This component handle the high voltage and high current aspect of the system, directly controlling the load. This group includes contactor, power cable, fuse, and circuit breaker. They operate at higher voltage and deliver power to the control device. Type of contact in control system. Control system frequently use various types of contact to manage circuit states. Normally open and normally closed, and the last single pole double throw. And this the throw physical form of stationary and moving contact in a relay. Relay, the heart of control. Relay are electromagnetic switches crucial for control circuit. They allow a low power control signal to switch a higher power circuit. This is the true symbol and physical form of the relay. When the relay coil or A1 and A2 terminals is energized, it creates an electromagnet that attracts an armature, causing the contact to switch position. For instance, a main contact 1 might connect to branch contact 4. Contact 4. When the current is removed, a spring returns the contact to their initial state. Relays are available for various DC voltage and AC. Their current carrying capacity is typically limited to less than 5 ampere. For high power application, relays are used in conjunction with contactor. And this is the heart of control. The relay is packed in closed plastic. Many relays are packed in transparent plastic container and feature SPDT contact, while relay handle control logic contactor are designed to manage large current for load like induction motor. Red switches are unique electromagnetic switches and that can operate in two ways. Inserted into a wire winding connected to a DC voltage, they act as a contact when the coil is energized. Repeat with several turns of wire carrying DC current, they activate based on magnet strength. 5 turn times 10 amperes equal 50 amperes magnetic strength. essential control component push button and timer. Push button component, push button, also known as on or off switches, are fundamental for initiating or terminating control circuit. They typically have two contacts, normally closed and normally open. In their unpressed state, one contact is NC and the other is NO. When manually pressed, their state reverses. The NC contact opens and the NO contact closes. This dual contact design provides flexibility in circuit design, allowing for both momentary on momentary off action. And this draw push button component diagram. And this glass, this air, this coil, and this terminal, and this contact, this and this. Next, timer components. Timers are integral to control circuit, enabling precise regulation of when a contactor is energized or for how long it remains active. There are various types of timers, each with distinct operating characteristics. For example, an off-the-layer timer, when energized, will keep its contact on for a set duration before automatically switch off. This allows for delay action or sequence in automated system. When combined with contactor, timer allow for substituted control over motor operation, lighting, and other electrical loads, ensuring action occur at specific interval or after certain delay. Electromagnetic operation. When an electric current flows through the contactor coil, it creates a magnetic field that attracts a movable magnetic core. This action pulls the main contact into the on position. Terminal arrangement. The coil winding is usually marked A1 to A2. Power supply terminal R1 L1 3 per L2 5 per L3 connection to the load terminal to T1 for T2 6 or T3. Auxiliary contact have specific number codes. Common failure. Typical issues include coil winding burnout or contact tips sticking together or burning due to arcing. Proper current rating selection is crucial to prevent damage. And this the raw side view of a contactor slide. This the static contact, this dynamic contact, this and this terminal force and coil terminal and all that. Protecting electrical system from overloads and short circuit in Paramount miniature circuit breaker or MCBS and motor circuit control circuit breakers or MCCBs are key safety devices. MCBs are compact safety components that offer dual protection, overload protection, achieved by a bimetal strip that's thermally to sustained over currents. The MCB will trip after a delay, a quadratic function of current and time. Short circuit protection provided by a current relay that rapidly trips the MCB is response to sudden high short circuit current. When either condition occurs, the MCB's mechanical system automatically trips isolating the circuit. MCBs are commonly read from 16A to 63A. MCCBs are robot safety devices housed in hard plastic casing, providing integrated protection for motor loads. The combined overload protection via a bimetallic element, short circuit protection through a short circuit current coil. MCCBs have three terminals for the power supply: one L1, 3L2, 5L3, and 3 for the load 2T1, 40, 42, and 63. Each critical node requires this connection as it impacts the safety device function. They serve as isolation for the primary circuit with load. Impulse relay control. An impulse relay Q1 acts like a toggle switch but operates electromatically. When switch S1 is pressed on, Q1 energized and it contact close. Turning on lamp A1, the relay mechanically locks in the on position. Pressing S1 on again releases the mechanical lock, turning Q1 off and extinguishing the lamp. This provides alternating on or off state with each impulse. Off delay timer control. An off delay timer T2 works electromagnetically when switch S2 is turned on. The timer coil has to energize turning on a light. The timer is set for a specific duration. After this, time lapse from the moment K2 was energized. The timer's mechanical off delay mechanism activities, turning the light off. This allows for controlled delay in the activating circuit, often combined with contactor to manage motor run times. Coil protection and set reset coil. Contactor coil or Q1 are often protected by parallel component like diodes or R1, varistor or R2 or series or R3G1 to suppress induced EMF. Set reset coil feature two windings and two switches. Pressing turn the coil on, activating a load. Pressing turn the coil off. This provides latching functionality, maintaining a state until explicitly reset. operation on position. When normally open, as one button is pressed, electricity flow from the L line through fuse F2, S1, S2, and the A1, A2 coil terminal of contactor Q1 to the neutral. This energizes the Q1 contactor coil, activating its no contact, which acts as a latch. Even if S1 is released, the Q1 coil remains energized and the induction motor continues to rotate. Operate, operate off position. Pressing the normally closed or NC S2 button open the control circuit, the energizing the Q1 contactor coil. The power contact then often open, cutting off electricity to the motor, causing it to stop. Safety and variation. The control circuit is protected by an F2 fuse, safeguarding against short circuit variation such in figure 7.22 might include multiple on S1 and S3 and off S2 and S4 button, offering more control point while maintaining the same operational principle. While simple and cost-effective for smaller motor, DOL starting result in high inrush current 600 until 700% of nominal current, which can stress the motor and power supply. For large motor, 10 kilowatt to 50 kilowatts, alternative starting method like start delta control are preferred to mitigate this high starting current. Okay, thank you. I think now about power con I think now presentation now. Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.